Hi everyone, I'm Danielle Denise and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a nursing supply haul filled with all of the things that I feel like I need now that I've started working as a nurse extern. So just getting started, I have here for you shoes, I have clothing pieces, I have tech items, I have items that came in handy for me in regular nursing clinical that have been a blessing to have during my nurse externship. So let's go ahead and get into it. I just want to start off with an item that you guys already see. It's right here. It is my new Apple Watch, a 44mm series. No, it's a SE. It was a gift. My friends surprised me for Christmas with an Apple Watch. I mean, your girl was trying to decide which one to get, and per usual, can't decide. Also didn't even tell them, but they know me that well. Like, I don't know, I appreciate it because all the IT nurses have an Apple Watch, okay? I'm not saying you have to go out and buy one, but my friends did that for me, and y'all, I am grateful, okay? This thing has come in handy so much. I'm like setting timers on the shift. I'm making notes. I'm setting reminders to go do things that I was supposed to do because that was usually a problem for me. And you know what? I am blessed. I was really blessed. And it's also functional outside of the hospital. I just bought some new straps for it that are coming in the mail today. In fact, let me check its location, see if it's delivered. Still says out for delivery. Anywho, love this Apple Watch, 10 out of 10. Everyone has one. If you're in the hospitals and you've seen it, literally everyone has an Apple Watch. Not literally everyone. Sorry, SoCal girl thing. The literally, not literally. Y'all get me. Anywho, I'm grateful. Love the Apple Watch. It's come in handy. Seriously, y'all. I would have done it myself, but they beat me to it, and I love them. So, yeah, moving on. The next items that I want to share with you guys are my shoes. So, the pair of shoes that I wore last night did not bring in my house because I was on a COVID unit, and I'm not touching those, so I'm gonna leave them on the screen. They are the Nike React Prestos or Nike Presto Reacts. I think it's Nike React Presto. I forgot to mention that everything that I'm mentioning today will have a link in the description box so that it's easy to find and you guys don't even have to worry about looking them all up or Googling these items. If there's anything you want, check the description box. There's a link. Anywho, back to the shoes. So I got the Nike React Prestos. They are technically a men's shoe, but you know, convert your size if you're a girl. If you're a guy, you already know what size to get. They are so comfortable. I found out about these shoes originally from one of my like old schoolmates, like middle school classmates. She is an ICU nurse now, and she was like raving about these shoes, and I was like, that's funny because that's really close to her name. She was like raving about these shoes, and I'm like, okay, let me take a screenshot, mental note. These are the shoes I'm gonna buy for when I start working. Not knowing that I would be a nurse extern soon enough, and I said, let me go ahead and pick these up now. My mom got them for me, and I'll leave the link in the description. They are so comfortable. I didn't even notice that some of my current classmates, they have these shoes. 10 out of 10. I mean, pretty great. The only thing about them is that the first pair that I got, I felt like they weren't made up to par with what I was expecting from Nike. So I was like, let me send them back. And when I sent them back, I ordered these Puma Soft Rides. Let me show you them. They're these right here. They are just as comfortable. They come with a memory foam sole and on the inside of the shoe, super thick, super soft. One of the nurses was telling me like, girl, you're gonna run through so many pairs of shoes, but you need to find the best shoes so that you can protect your feet, legs, and back. So shoes are really important. If you want to decide between the two shoes or if you want to get both, the Nikes are around $130. Lately they've been on sale for about $100. And the Pumas, found them at Nordstrom Rack for like less than $50, maybe, was it 30 something with tax, 40 something. So those are on sale as well. But as you know, there are plenty of nursing shoes out there, plenty of reviews. Take mine with a grain of salt. But these are the ones that I'm loving right now. I love both my Pumas and my Nikes. Sorry guys. Lately I've been looking at myself in the viewfinder so much that I'm forgetting to look at you. And I have another viewfinder on the side of me working on that. Forgive me. I just want to make sure that I stay in focus. So if I'm ever out of focus during this video, know that I tried to catch it by looking at myself first. Another disclaimer. Anywho, we got the watch, we got the shoes. Let's talk about some of the clothing pieces that I felt like I needed. One thing I wish I got, but I didn't, were under scrubs. But that'll be something on the list to get. And if you need some scrubs, check out Janu. I'll leave my link in the description box as well. Not my link, my code. They do have us change our codes periodically, so if you ever need the most recent code, it will either be in my Instagram bio, you guys can follow me at @TheDanielleDenise, or in the most recent video's description box. Now, although I did not get under scrubs, I got more compression socks from Amazon. I got a pack of 5 for like 20 something dollars. They do have some for like 18, but I got like plain black and white ones, stripes, polka dots, more stripes. Oh, did I get 6 pair? Oh, I got 6 pair. Didn't even realize. Got some hearts, some regular black ones. Ready to go with the compression socks. Important for preventing varicose veins. Important to prevent DVTs. If you're in nursing school, tell me in the comments if the first time you heard about DVTs, were you not shook? Next up, we have scrub caps. I ordered a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. I have them in black, navy blue, light pink, and purple. All the cool nurses have them. The most important thing about having the scrub caps though is that research apparently has come out about corona wanting to bind to thine hair and hang out in thine hair. So I want to keep that covered up. I'm a little black girl who does not wash her hair every single day. Our hair doesn't require that, so don't want to do it. Don't want to, but lately I've been having to because I did not have scrub caps. So I found like it was actually pertinent. And I forgot to mention that they come with the little buttons on the side. You can hook like your mask straps. Do I have a mask? Haha, yes I do. I have a Janu mask right here. You put this on and hook the little straps onto the side. Innovations, I love them. Next, ooh, okay, so the story about these pens, let me show you them. They are the Papermate Right Bros ballpoint pens. I mean, see, because I'm a YouTuber, I can do this now. Ha ha ha. The thing about these pens is one day I had found one of them at the nurse's station. Honestly, I did find it because it was in a cup full of other pens, not at anyone's particular desk, just at the nurse's station when I really needed one. And I love the way that it wrote, and I was like, ooh, I could take a picture of this so I can order them later, or I can just keep it with me for the rest of the day and then order some. So that's what I did. They're on sale right now for like $2 for like 12 of these. So pick these up, because you can never have too many pens. And when you find a good pen, it's worth it. Ooh, this little box here is filled with goggles. I had a pair of goggles that I got during my last clinical rotation, and I lost them apparently at work. And so I've been using their disposable ones, but I was like, let me just get some good sturdy goggles. Ah, don't I look? See, and they cover the sides. That's what you want to look for in your goggles. Definitely glad that I had goggles on the day that I got coughed on by a COVID patient. That was fun. Glad to have that side protection. Yeah, I got a pack of like 5 for like $18, $20. The price keeps going up, but I have honey, so I try to buy things when they're like the lowest price. And these little side pieces on the goggles, I believe are adjustable. So you can pull this out, see, like that, if your eyes are longer or shorter. Ooh, these, okay, more writing utensils. Let me show you. These are the Sharpie markers. They come with a little retractable hook at the top so that you can keep it on like your badge reel or something. And if you ever need to use it or anything, you just pull it down and write with it. I saw one of my classmates with this And I was like, that would really come in handy, especially because we're always like writing on little paper bags with keeping our masks or different masks in these paper bags, and you have to write your name on them. So you usually need a Sharpie anytime you need to write on someone's like IV or any tape or bandages you put on. You write like your name, when you change them, the date and time, and you usually need markers. I would never have them and they are important. This one I can always keep with me, so I don't have to worry about like carrying a Sharpie with me all the time. You can put these on your badge reel. They're like $5 right now, or you can get 2 packs of these for like 10 or something. They're on Amazon. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. I love these. So last semester, my clinical instructor, she had one of these on her key ring, and I thought it was innovative. I thought, I need one. So this one came with a pack of 2. I already gave the other one away. This one in particular is super great quality, like really great quality. It's like heavy metal, like a gunmetal color. It is so pretty to me. Like, I have a few things like this color, especially because my friends, when they got my Apple Watch, boom, same like space gray color. My stethoscope is also this color. So basically what this is, I didn't finish telling you what this is because my brain boggles around. It is a door opener, and it also comes with a stylus, so that if you're ever at like the grocery store or something and you need to like punch in numbers or something, that's what that's there for. Okay, and right here I have some backup stethoscope ear tips. So me, when I'm walking around with my stethoscope all day, there have been several occasions where I have walked somewhere and I noticed that one of the ear tips on my stethoscope has gone missing. So I got these little $7 ones. I think it comes with like 16. Can you guys see that? The little ear tips. And a pack of like 24. There are 24 individual pieces, so 12 backups. They're a little harder than like the actual Littman ones, but I'll take what I can get, especially the way that I'm like losing stethoscope ear tips. And lastly, before I get into some of the things that I had in regular clinical that I brought over to my externship, is this little notebook here. I got it from Daiso Japan. The same friend who had the Sharpies also has a tiny notebook. See, and I've had these already, but she has a tiny notebook to take around, and they fit in all of her pockets. See, I have this foldable clipboard that I'll show you guys that like it only fits in like my cargo pants pockets. Other than that, I'm stuck holding it around all the time, and I like to have free hands to feel like I'm not restricted or feeling like, did I leave something behind? Like, I don't like that feeling. Love my foldable clipboard though, but got a little mini notebook. It's like $1. And that's about it with all of the new items. Let's talk about some of the things from my regular clinical rotations that have come in handy now. The stethoscope case. Definitely you need it just to hold it. You don't want to keep bringing your box every day. I mean, unless you want to. Comes with cushion. If you haven't already picked up a stethoscope, I remember I did a Littman stethoscope giveaway. Should I do another one? I don't know. Got one. Scissors. Turns out whenever I needed scissors, I always had them, just never kept them on me. Go ahead and get yourself some scissors. I'll leave some of the good pair down below in the description box, some good trauma shears. The ones like you can cut through clothes or cut through just about anything. It also comes in a set with pen lights. You'll need your pen light, especially if you're doing assessments. And the infamous, the handy dandy, mine looks a mess, clipboard. You want this foldable clipboard. What's inside? I just have like a little sticky note right here. Those few items are the ones that I feel like you really need. Also, oh, an oldie but goodie. When I first got to nursing school, they were like, your hands are gonna be a mess. Get yourself some O'Keeffe's Healing Hands or Working Hands lotion. You can either get this green tube right here, or I think they have like a yellow one and even like a foot cream. You don't need the foot cream, but yeah, get yourself some of this. They have this like everywhere. All right. That's everything in my haul today. Now that I'm working, I feel like I need so many things. It's just like random things sometimes. But these, I feel like, are the essentials that over these past few weeks or almost month now, that I felt like had I had these, things would have been going a lot more smoothly. So thank you so much for watching this haul today. Again, if you guys need anything or want any of these products, I will leave links in the description box. If there are any essentials that you guys like recommend that I get, or that anyone else out there that finds this video that they pick up as well, go ahead and leave those in the comment section as well. I'd really appreciate it. But for you, I will see you in my next upload. Thank you so much again for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, all of those things. And lastly, last time, goodbye.